like the news, like just across the board, they've been talking about how trust in institutions has been like deteriorating rapidly since I think it was like the 70s or 80s. At least back in the day, like we're humans, we're gonna have our spin. It's not perfect, but at least when it came to reporting, there was this
Mhm.
reporting like ethos of, hey, we're trying our best to go, here's the facts, even though there's a lot of perspective and just reality. Let the
Mhm.
reader come to their own conclusion. It's
Exactly.
completely reversed now, where it's like, here's what how you should feel, then it's
Mhm.
here's the conclusion, and then it's like here's some facts, and you're like, these facts aren't even like
Yeah,
100% lined up with the conclusion that you told me.
exactly. Yeah. It's very frustrating. I feel like I felt more effective, like mentally, when COVID happened because they were
Mm-hmm.
like, "Oh, it was made in a lab." No, it was not made in a lab. Oh, this is like like a bioweapon and all this stuff, and that's when you like start to see how sometimes people are like, "Oh, the news doesn't matter," or "I don't watch the news," but it does affect you, the way you think about things, or like you start feeling like you can't trust what you're reading anymore because it's so biased. People are telling you what to believe. So it just gets overwhelming, to be honest. And then it
Yeah.
divides us.